Well folks, how's your winter going? Come on over and we're gonna keep going with some light blue and white and lots of collectible glass right here on my take on home and garden. That's right guys, you heard it. We're gonna keep going with the blue and white and I think you'll love today's show. Come decorate. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use today. Then I'm gonna take you around and explain where and why I did what I did today. Okay, hey guys, let's head over to the big table and see the parts and pieces I want to use in our decorate today. We have this oversized platter in the fabulous Delft from Holland. Frankly, for us, it is a wall piece. A wonderful art piece, as is the collectibles here, all Delft from the Netherlands. Wonderful light blue and white collectible windmills and decanters, creamers, where you're gonna go so sweet. Some wind up, some are a bank. The one here in the back is a planter. And another salt and pepper set with pewter windmill blades. Then some of you might recall this incredible coaster set. Thank you, Doug and Luann, for that beauty. And by Westmoreland, the cream and sugar set pair in the vintage milk glass. We'll have a crystal decanter and two different pieces by Indiana glass in the milk glass again with festoon, 4-footed fruit bowl, then a fruit basket, still Indiana, with festoon on a pedestal. Then everything Fenton in the ruffled edge American hobnail pattern. 5 pieces, a handled basket, a not handled basket, crimped again on a pedestal, dish, and vase, and 2 in the silver crest clear lip design. Wonderful. Both on the pedestal. Then how many have told me this is a favorite of theirs as well? This beautiful picture in the blue and white featuring parrot tulips made in England. This pattern is called Alberta. Just staggering. Alrighty, let me get around the table here for the rest. I'm gonna feather in these couple of Delft tile, again from Holland. We'll have our battery operated little mini lights, couple of angels. One is Lennox, the larger one, and the little one is Goebel of Germany. A selection of Lennox made in USA with gold trim. Thank you, Pete. And here's a threesome of double candlesticks with new white candles for today. And here's some things I'm going to use in a couple of small arrangements to get around the room. Tie in the music area with the dining room. Frozen cypress, gold and silvery laurel leaf, white ranunculus. We have crocus and dahlia and ranunculus and some frostbit and windblown, snowed on timothy for that wintry look. Okay guys, let's take a minute, let me get this done, and I'll take you and show you all around. Quite the lovely gathering. Okay guys, let's see what we put together for you today. Coming off the dining room, you've seen with the light blue and white. An English blue and a French blue. On the buffet, another arrangement in our frosty, frozen, and white idea. Mixed with some crystal for this vignette and a wonderful Delft pieces from Holland. English pitcher, frosty and cooled down, bright and light. Then up on the Christmas hutch, which is full of Christmas goodies, are Fenton pieces in the silver crest. I wanted to get a windmill over here, get some blue in here with that painting of a European street scene. I think it works really good. Silver candlesticks now, something different. and we'll key off those pewter blades on the salt and peppers. Again, the Westmoreland pear with fruit. Coming down to our collection of Fenton milk glass in the American hobnail pattern. Coming away from our Hummel cabinet, we can see the music area. The Cape Cod is always stored, and our little Regency table with a blue and white candle to match, crystal base, and matching florals. Then, coming up and around to the fireplace, we've got our candles in the lanterns, our mini lights, frozen cypress or cedar, our Delft and Lennox combination for winter. Wonderful windmills, a blue and white trinket box, tile, Dutch made tile, and lots of Lennox. And folks, we hope you're having fun with your decorating for winter or Valentine's or whatever makes you happy at this time of year. This is what we're doing right now. Just for now. Take care, everybody. See ya soon in the next amazing. Actually, I think we have new pieces above the hutch here for this winter. And we have a haul coming for you die-hard collectors. Next, right here on my take on Home and Garden. Bye guys. Be good, have fun, and see you soon.